Changing payment methods in TikTok shops is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Navigate to the TikTok shop section within the app. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon and then looking for a shopping bag icon or directly accessing the shop feature from the Discover page. Look for the settings or payment option within the TikTok shop. This may be represented by a gear icon or something similar. Once you are in the payment settings, you should see an option to add or change your payment method. Tap on this option. Follow the prompts to enter the details of your new payment method. This typically includes credit or debit card information as well as billing address details. After entering the new payment information, make sure to save your changes. This might involve tapping a Save or Done button. TikTok may ask you to verify the new payment method. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your phone number or email associated with the account. Once you have verified the new payment method, review the changes to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the changes to update your payment method in the TikTok shop.